Hi, just going to make sure you understand what resources we've put aside for you for this summer, where they are, and what we're expecting you to do with them. Your My Day area will look somewhat different to mine, but you're looking for this tile. It's got an eye on it, it's blue, and it says New VLE. That will take you in, and again, I think it will look different from you. I guess if you click on My Classes, you'll get there, but if you click on this thing they're calling the burger menu in the top left-hand corner, and you click on A-Level Physics. Now, in theory, at the moment, you can get to these things via Teams, but my concern is that I think your Teams allocation will change over the summer and you might not be able to get there. So we go on course materials, and what we're interested here today is in summer resources. Okay, so there are some things that you've asked for. One in here is there are three past papers to cover what you've been doing this year. AS paper 1, AS paper 2, and an astrophysics paper, and their mark schemes, and there are 2 of those each. Okay, I think that's self-explanatory. I've also put in the can-do list, so the astrophysics can-do list and the 3 AS can-do lists or lower can-do lists. So the question, if you want to know what do I need to know when I come back, that's the answer. It's everything in this folder. You need notes on everything in this folder, and you need to know everything in this folder. We're also putting into place to this workbook here. Now, actually, at the moment this video has gone out, it's not complete. But what I'm trying to do here is to assemble in one place all the work that you've done under lockdown, which will be waves and astrophysics. So I've started on the astrophysics. And what you should see here is, in general, it's the videos in order and the questions that were associated with that video and their answers. I'll do the same for waves. So if you've missed stuff, if you're not sure about stuff, that's a one-stop shop for catching up. I personally prefer to click open in app and prefer the look of it in OneNote. Knowing mine luck, it's going to open. Right, it's not. It's opened on my second screen, but I'll just drag it across. I just find it slightly easier to work with when it's popped out, but you don't have to do that. Finally, the last thing in the folder is, okay, sorry, give me a moment, is this very big PowerPoint here, problems to solve lowers. If you play that PowerPoint, it now contains hints. Actually, I think that PowerPoint is going to need to go in a folder, so it'll be called problems to solve lower with hints, and we'll put all the answers to all these in as well. But the idea is that without looking at the answers, that if you play this PowerPoint, you'll get varying degrees of hints as you go through the slides. It's worth saying, whatever you do, don't start with the first slide, and I can't change the order because it would change all the numbering of the questions, but starting on solve lower 2 would make much more sense, and then going back to the first one right at the end. Right, I hope that's given you some clarity about what you can be doing over the summer. There will be we will expect that in the first lesson back you'll be asking questions about all the things you were stuck on, and within absolute latest, the third lesson, your third face-to-face lesson back, there will be an exam on all this stuff. Okay, thank you.